Debt traps Botswana into becoming a Chinese electricity exporter due to the China-built power station. Over time, electricity has been a net import for Botswana. However, the government guarantees massive Chinese debt at astronomical terms. China National Electric Engineering Corporation's CNEEC coal-fired power plant Morupule B is gradually altering Botswana's current situation. According to the Botswana Power Corporation, both Morupule A and B power facilities have been fully operating for the past 3 months. They dispense over 800 megawatts of power per hour to the national grid, much exceeding local electricity usage, BPC. The flagship 600 megawatt Morupule B project's increased plant availability has made sales possible. Therefore, the extra electricity should be sold to countries nearby, Xinhua was informed by Lefoko Moagi, the Minister of Minerals and Energy for Botswana. Since it is a landlocked nation, coal-fired power generation predominates there. Before 2010, there was only one power station, Morupule A. To improve electrical self-sufficiency and provide energy security, Botswana began construction on the 600 megawatts Morupule B power station project in 2010, with the CNEEC serving as the general contractor. The plant operation is currently stable, according to Zhang Xiangrong, project manager for CNEEC, thanks to the collaboration of the Botswana government and the business. In 2019, the company began the power station's refurbishment project. The first unit is undergoing renovation, and the trial operation will end in September. According to Moagi, the Morupule B power plant operates at total capacity, with each of its 4 units producing 150 megawatts of electricity. He also noted that the Morupule power plant has at least 232 megawatts, bringing the total electricity produced by Botswana to 832 megawatts per hour. Moagi claims that Botswana uses 580 megawatts during peak hours while only using 360 during off-peak hours. Peak and off-peak times in Botswana occur in the evenings, in the mornings, in the afternoon, and on weekends when no businesses are open. According to Moagi, Botswana is eager to sell power to South Africa, whose leading electrical utility, Eskom, is having issues with generation. To insulate plants from load control variations and to ensure that excess electricity has a secure market, the BPC has started working with Eskom to buy the excess electricity supply generated during off-peak times. On August 4, 2022, President Cyril Ramaphosa of South Africa said at a press conference following the Botswana-South Africa Business Roundtable in Gaborone, the capital of Botswana, that Botswana's willingness to sell South Africa's excess power would improve economic and trade links. With the Meduo 26 strategy, a 5-year plan released last year, Botswana wants to achieve its objective of turning into a regional benchmark in power supply by 2026. Chinese investment will be at risk once a wave of nationalization begins in Africa because China does not comprehend the continent. Africans will not accept the status of enslaved people from anyone. Chinese behavior in Africa has been relatively poor, and it won't be long before the populace and the ruling elite rise up in revolt against Chinese enslavement.